go, y'all. Chef Jeffrey, Old School Soul Food, back with another edition of my cooking here. Today we're gonna make something that's dear to my heart because it's the first actual thing I ever baked growing up. We're making lemon meringue pie. See that? Another thing, I always use fresh lemons. Don't ever use the lemons out of the, you'll hear me say that throughout the video. Don't ever use lemons out of the jar. Out of the, yeah, some of them come in the jar, out of the bottle. But anyway, let's get this thing started here. I can talk to y'all as I'm cooking. Okay, I got my water heating up here and a little milk in it. I put a little milk in mine. It's just a cup and a half of water. I put maybe a cup and maybe in a 1/4 of water and put another little third cup of milk. I like mine a little creamier. On my recipe, it probably just say water, but you can add a little milk to yours, make yours a little creamier. Okay, I'm gonna add this is not even hot yet. I'm gonna heat this up with the cornstarch and sugar here. I got it mixed together. Cornstarch and sugar already mixed together. I'm gonna heat that up together. I got some vanilla here. Put that in there. Remember, this is not hot yet. It's gonna heat together as it's heating up here. Okay, this really doesn't take long to do. But while I'm doing that, I like to multitask. So it's gonna get a little loud in here because I'm gonna put on my mixer over here. Now, I'm gonna make the meringue as for the topping of the lemon meringue, and what they call lemon meringue. You need meringue on it. So I'm gonna make meringue as this is cooking. So what I got here, I got my 5 egg whites. Make sure your egg whites is at room temperature. That's another key of making a good meringue is room temperature eggs. So I got my eggs here at room temperature. Egg whites, at room temperature. I'm gonna make sure you keep stirring this. You don't want it to stick. If you try to do like me, multitasking, you gotta remember you got something very valuable cooking on the stove over here, the filling. Also, I have a pre-baked deep dish pie crust. I already baked all the way through. And that's going to be the crust for your pie. I pre-baked that earlier. Okay, that's back to our egg white, meringue. Okay, I'm going to put the egg whites in the mixer. Also, make sure your mixer is clean. No grease, no oil. That's also very important to your egg whites coming up really, really fluffy and stiff peaks. Okay, now I'm gonna get this started here. Hope y'all can hear me over this noise. Two things going here. I got my filling going and the egg white going here. Now, I'm going to cut this off when I'm talking to y'all. Y'all can hear me. Okay. As the egg whites is beaten up, when they get to stiff pieces, well, I'm going to show you before I add this. I got sugar here, and I have, this is the secret weapon, it's in the recipe, of getting your egg whites nice, stiff and peach. Very simple. I keep this in my cabinet at all times. See that? Cream of tartar. That's the secret of getting stiff peak egg whites. Let me turn this back on. And you want this to get real thick. You're starting to thicken up. Like I say, you got to really watch this. And once that cornstarch get activated, like it's doing right now, you don't want to stick or burn. Okay. Alright. This is thick now. Then it's going to come off the board. Okay, now this is thick. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a little of this to the egg yolks. What we want to do, we want to temper the egg yolks. Meaning I want to bring the egg yolks to the same temperature as this. If I throw the egg yolks in here right now, in this, I'm going to have scrambled eggs. And I definitely don't want to have scrambled eggs. That'll ruin my whole project here. So what I'm doing, I bring that in there, bring it up to temperature. I take that off the fire. I'm going to add that back into here. See that? Okay, I got my little spatula here. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this back on the fire and incorporate that back in there. See that? Let this cook a little bit more. And the egg whites here. Now, I'm going to slowly add my, see, I'm doing two things at one time. Let me stop my egg whites from now. We're going to finish this. Because egg whites is not, it's almost finished. Okay, the filling is already ready. And what we're going to do now, there's something missing in here. If I'm making lemon meringue pie, what's missing? The lemon. So I'm adding the butter now. I got butter I'm adding in here to give it that shine and extra thickness. So you gotta have that. Make sure the butter's incorporated though. Okay. This takes no time at all. See how thick and creamy that is? Now we're gonna add the lemon juice. I'm going to cut my fire off for now. Lemon juice I'm adding there. Like I said, make sure you use real lemon juice. Don't use that imitation lemon juice in the bottle. That stuff is disgusting. So it tastes nothing like that. And then lemon zest. Right at the end. Are y'all with me? Or did y'all go to sleep on me? Some people go on to sleep on me when I'm cooking. I guess I get bored when I'm boring to them when I'm talking. Okay, that's ready. That took no time at all. Look at that. I'm going to pour that into my pie shell here. Pie shell talking to me there. Pie shell say, yes sir, we ready for some pie. Okay. Spread that into there. Okay. Now, this off. Now, back to our meringue here. Now we're gonna slowly add our sugar to this. Our sugar and the cream of tartar is in here. We're gonna slowly add that to that. Stiff peak. Y'all see how easy that was? Look at that. Very easy. Cut this off so y'all can see. See that? Very easy here. Okay, we're going to raise this up and see what it looks like. I'm going to do a little bit more, a couple more minutes. And then we're going to put the meringue on this sucker here. I ain't put in nothing. Like I said, I can make this pie in my sleep. I made this pie, I guarantee, over 1,000 times. Okay, that's it. Like I said, I made this pie over 1,000 times. This is what I made when I was growing up to make money for our vacation Bible school in the summer. I used to sell this $5 a piece. Make them, every one of them homemade. That's why I said I can make this in my sleep. See that meringue? See it? See that? That's what you want. Stiff peaks of meringue. Now, to put it on here, I always start from the center the center out. We'll put it right in the center, and then we're going to decorate this sucker. It'll be a nice, beautiful pie. People say, how I make it? Like I say, I can make lemon pie literally sleeping. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to go to the edge with this. We want to seal the edge. You want to go around the edge. Little by little. What you want to do first, make sure you go around and make sure the meringue is sealing the edge, because you don't want the meringue to come apart. That'll ruin your presentation. You just take your time. Take your time. Take your time. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Spread it around. Now, if you make sure you got them all spread around there, then you come back and just make your peaks like that. Just go up on the top like that. Look, let's see how you got the little curlies. That's how you get them. Just go up, down, up, down, up, down. Your kids will like this. Make this with your kids. They will like this part. And that's it. Now we're going to put it in the oven about 10-15 minutes. And I'm going to, you should make till it's golden brown. And then make sure it's all to the peaks here. I'm very, very particular about my mom used to tell me, boy, you got them all to the peaks. Because she the one who showed me how to make this. And I mean, back then I used a double boiler. You know, today I didn't use a double boiler because I made it so many times. I know how to make it without a double boiler. But if you never made it before doing it, use a double boiler. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven. Okay. It'll get still peaks. I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, let's get this pie in the oven and see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Nice lemon meringue pie. Nice. Nice golden brown. That's what you want. Nice golden brown. Soft peaks. See how the peaks got on that? So I'm going to let this sit for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And then we're going to come back and we're going to cut this thing, and I'm going to show you how it looks inside. So y'all can be the same way. So y'all see y'all in about an hour. Okay, y'all, we back here. The pie is cool now. See it? Nice. See how it feels when it's cool, looks the same. Okay, now we're gonna cut it up here and see how it looks. I like to make my knife more warm here so it don't stick. Okay, here, let's see what we got here. Let's hope for the best. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. Ready? Let's see here. The first piece always the hardest to get out. Let's see here. Look under here. Bottom. Voila. Let's see. Come on, baby. Ah. First piece always the hardest. Wow. Always the hardest, but you see it set up. Definitely set up. See that? Nice. Old school lemon meringue pie. I'm gonna taste this one. Let's see here. You can see it set up. It just broke on me as I cut it, but it feels good. Yeah. So go try this recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Like the page. Give the thumbs up, comments. Like I said, this is awesome. The crust still in there. That's the crust I was trying to get out of there. Oh, look, check this out. That's a good looking pie there. Old school lemon meringue pie. Go check it out. Video's on the description of the video. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.